Orlando Pirates has completed 6 signings already in this transfer window, and they were so smart by rushing their transfers so that everyone, when they come back, they think about signing players. Orlando Pirates is already done. With the 6 that's already confirmed, there are another 2 that's still on the pipeline. But just talk about it. Let's look at the 6 and see how they will help Orlando Pirates going forward in the next season for them to defend the triple, because remember, we are triple champions, man, so we need to defend this. So I will start with Sianda Ndlovu. I think Sianda Ndlovu, 22-year-old attacking midfielder, he will end up in that attacking midfielder role, which has Mfokeng, Maswanganyi and De Jong. But now I will look at that and see that maybe Orlando Pirates, they are thinking about that Mfokeng, they might leave, so they need another person that can be young on that position, since Maswanganyi and De Jong, they're already old, and because of the lot of games that we're going to play, so we need more players. And then another one that is lately confirmed is Neo Rapu from Aswele, the left back, which is excites me the most, because I'm thinking about that Hoto is in his final years now. I think it's 37 or 38. So that's left that position with Ndaba. And if Ndaba is with Rapu, then you know that you have at least 2 good left back that can compete for that position. And then you got the likes of Mtiana, 25. And then Kampani Lungu, 27. So most of the players that the Pirate signs, they are young, they are 22. Bangani Zubi as well is 22. And you get Mtiano who's 25, and then Kampani Lungu 27, Neo Rapu 21, and Ndlovu 22 as well. So we are linked also with 2 players. It's Matuludi. Actually, Matuludi, I like him so much because I've seen what they were doing with Sibelebele on the Nicaragua game. And I think if you can take that and put it at Pirates, we can actually damage a lot of team. And this is the signing that I'm excited about when you're actually thinking about the people that we want to bring in the team. Because Matuludi will give us that experience that is there on that that we need on that position. Because in the right back, we've been playing Sibelebele. But what I saw on that Bafana game, I realized that if you put Matuludi on the right back and you have Sibelebele playing as a winger, our right wing problem will be solved. Because last season we've been playing with a couple of players on that right wing, we never actually had someone that hold that right wing position. And I know Sibelebele is more playing as a 2 because he actually get the good runs going forward and he knows how to score as well. But I think if you play him in that wing, you might actually get a lot for the guys like Mbutuma, because if he goes in the byline, you know for sure that he's going to bring in a cross. So guys like Mbutuma will maybe benefit more, because Mbutuma is a striker that needs the balls to come to him. He can't really run after the balls must come into him. And then another one is Fias Abraham, a winger, Stellenbosch. My only concern is he said he wants to leave Stellenbosch, and I think after what happened last season, he went to Israel, played 11 games, assisted 3 times and scored 3 times, and then when the whole thing was started, he was like, no, I'm coming back. And then Stellenbosch had to step in to make sure that they protect him from not going into the FIFA tribunal courts and all those things, because the team in Israel was saying they're going to send his case into FIFA, so FIFA will have to deal with him. So Stellenbosch step in to make sure that he doesn't get suspended by FIFA. So now he said he wants to leave, and I think it's a good thing for him if you look at the fact that he was a good player, the young player, and always they let him go to Israel on loan, and then he comes back. He didn't really play that much, but I think if they can let him go again, Pirates can use that, because we really need wingers, especially someone that can try to get the position in that right hand side wing, because we need someone who can deliver the balls on the side as well, because Apolis can also play on the left. I know he can play on the right as well, but he doesn't like to play there. It's better for him when he plays on the left and then he comes inside. So I think that's another one that I'm also excited about, and thinking that we are doing all these signings just to make sure that we defend our triple champions here, and also focusing on the Champions League. And I think right now this season is going to be a problem, because we will need the Champions League. I think because of what happened last season, this season we need to make sure that we go even further to the Champions League, and that's why we need more players. So there will be a lot of players that's still going to come in with the Pirates, and some of them they're still going to leave. Because if you're looking at some of the position, we are staking players that they're supposed to be leaving, some of them, but we are staking a lot of players. But what the good news I've been hearing from Orlando Pirate camp is they want to look for a sharpshooter striker. And this time around, we know the transfer policy at Pirates is usually go around PSL, try to sign South African players as well. But now they're saying they're even looking to go abroad to actually find the striker. And I want to say this, if they can go and find a striker that can actually score goals, it will be a good thing. But I think they also need to find a way to make the wingers actually provide the striker, because I think that's another thing, that you find wingers at Pirates not providing a striker, trying to get goals for themselves. So I think that's another thing. So if you can find a striker that can score, I think we need to change the system at some point, where in some of the games we actually prioritize the striker to score. We give him a chance to fight. So I think Orlando Pirates is on the right way of defending the triple. And also, adding on these trophies, because we missed out on the Nedbank Cup, we missed out on the Champions League. So if we can just defend our triple and also win these two, we can win 5 trophies next season. And I think it's going to be good. Once, always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.